Welcome and a very good day to all of you. I am Ms. Akira and today we will be looking at page 50 in your postal textbook. The title is My Country. Okay, so my country in Malay means negara. Like for us, our country is Malaysia. Okay, now what we will do is we will read a text about a country and then we will match the subheadings, we'll identify adjectives, okay, and then we will learn about the order of adjectives. Now, first one, reading. Alright, so this text is about a country. Okay, now let's listen to what she has to say about her country.
Unit 4. Writing. A geographical description. Exercise 1.
My country. Greece is a small country in southern Europe. It has a population of about 10 million. Many tourists visit Greece every year because of its warm climate, beautiful scenery, and friendly people. Greece has long, dry summers and short winters. July and August are the hottest months of the year, but temperatures are warm from May to October. Greece has hundreds of islands, which have beautiful sandy beaches and clear blue sea. However, a lot of people don't know that Greece also has many forests and mountains with a lot of wildlife. Athens, the capital of Greece, is famous for its amazing ancient monuments, but the islands are the best place to go if you just want to relax. In winter, you can go walking, climbing, and even skiing on Mount Olympus, which, according to legend, was the home of the gods. Eleni, 14.
Alright, to those who have no problem understanding the text, then you can skip this part. Right, first, tengok dia cakap, Greece is a small country, okay, in southern Europe. Okay, southern comes from the word south. South maksudnya selatan, okay. Southern Europe means selatan Europe. Okay, it has a population. Population means like there are like how many people there. Okay, so it has 10 million people in Greece. Okay, now many tourists visit Greece every year because of its warm climate. Okay, climate means weather, macam cuaca. Okay, beautiful scenery, okay, pemandangan yang cantik and friendly people. Okay, so kenapa orang pergi to this place? Because of these reasons. Okay, now first, let's look at the second paragraph. Greece has long dry summers, okay, and short winters. Okay, so summers and winters kita dah belajar hari tu musim apa? Okay, and then July and August are the hottest months of the year. Okay, so sepanjang tahun ni bulan yang paling panas is July and August. Okay, but temperatures are warm from May to October. Okay, temperatures. This one is yang every time you pergi mall, you go to the store, sekarang you have to scan for temperatures, right? Okay, so temperatures tu apa? Suhu. Okay, so suhunya quite panas lah from May to October. Okay, then third paragraph. Greece has hundreds of islands. Okay, so islands mean pulau, okay, which have beautiful sandy beaches. Okay, so these islands has a lot of beaches and they're beautiful. Okay, and it has clear blue sea. Okay, like the water is very blue. However, okay, a lot of people don't know that Greece also has many forests and mountains. Okay, with a lot of wildlife. So if you let's say if you Google the country Greece, right? The pictures are mostly about the sea, about the ocean. You boleh nampak lautan je, but actually dia cakap there are a lot of mountains and forests. Hutan ada gunung. Okay, and then dia cakap Athens, the capital of Greece. Okay, cuba teka apa tu capital. For example, the capital of Malaysia is Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so capital means ibu negara. Okay, so ibu negara Greece is Athens. Okay, it is famous for its amazing ancient monument. Okay, like macam kuno, right? But the islands are the best place to go if you just want to relax. Okay, so it's famous for its monuments and then for its islands. And then check out in winter, you can go walking, climbing, and even skiing. Okay, on Mount Olympus. Okay, so one of the famous place in Greece, in Athens, is Mount Olympus, Gunung Olympus. Why? According to legend, mengikut legenda, okay, it was home of the gods. Rumah para like Dewa Dewi. Okay, now let's look at the second activity. Now we're going to look at the subheading. Apa tu subheading? Okay, tengok dulu the exercise. Exercise tu cakap match. Match. Padankan the subheadings with paragraph. Okay, so paragraph dia dah bagi. Now landscape is like bentuk muka bumi. Places to visit, tempat yang you boleh lawat. Climate, weather. Okay. Now, for each of the paragraph yang dia dah label paragraph 1, paragraph 2, and paragraph 3. Okay, now what does it mean by subheadings? Okay, subheadings is like tajuk kecil tau. For example, the title of the text is My Country. Itu tajuk besar dia. Tajuk kecil dia apa? Tajuk kecil for every paragraph. Sama juga when you read these essays or these texts, dia dah dibahagikan according to the content, kandungan dia. Okay, so tengok, let's look at the first one. Contoh teacher bagi contoh for the first part. Right, first part. Greece has long dry summers. Okay, they talk about summers and winters and temperatures. Okay, now these three, okay, which one do you think it's about? Is it about climate, or is it about places to visit, or is it about landscape? Okay, now this is actually about climate. So write down number 1, write down climate. All right. So number 2 and 3, you try and look at the paragraph. Okay, and tengok dia jatuh under kategori mana. Then you just write down lah subheading dia. Okay, that's it. Okay, now next, third activity is about adjectives. Just to remind you apa tu adjectives. Adjective is a word that tells us more about a noun. Okay, can be about a person, a place, or an object. Okay, tells us more. Dia menggambarkan. Okay, satu kata nama. Like if in Malay, it is kata sifat. Now, exercise 2 wants you to find 4 examples, okay, of 2 adjectives together. Okay, 2 adjectives together, not just 1, 2. Now, in the text study, for example, look at this one. Greece has long, dry summers. Yang mana in the text is kata sifat. Okay, now for example, kata sifat dekat sini adalah long, dry. Okay, long and dry ni menggambarkan sama. Musim panas dia adalah panjang dan kering. Okay, so long and dry are adjectives, kata sifat. So dia nak suruh you tulis. Okay, number 1, long and dry. So you terus tulis je apa you bagi. Okay, number 1 I dah bagi long, dry. Okay, try and give me the second, third, and fourth pair of adjectives. Right. And then last one, order of adjectives. Okay, these adjectives, bila lebih daripada satu, when you have more than one adjectives, you need to follow a certain set of rules. Kena ikut dia punya rules. Okay, what are the rules? You need to put it according to the category. Ikut kategori dia. Okay, so for example, for adjectives, we have opinion, we have size, we have age, we have shape, we have color, we have origin, we have material, and last kali, purpose. Okay, now these adjectives dah disusun based on which one should come first. Okay, so opinion should always come first, and then purpose should come last. Okay, now let's say you want to tell people that your mom is beautiful. She's beautiful, and then let's say she's Chinese. Okay, so let's see these two, right? Yang mana kena datang dulu? Opinion dulu ke origin dulu? Okay, so according to this table, kena letak opinion dulu. Okay, so kena letak beautiful dulu. Lepas tu baru you letak the origin. Origin means asal. Okay, so you can say my mother is a beautiful Chinese lady. Okay, tak boleh cakap my mom is a Chinese beautiful lady. Tak boleh. You must follow these susunan. Alright, now let's look at the exercise. Oh, okay, so this is one of the ways that you can remember the susunan. Okay, see? O-SAS-COM. Okay, this is the first letter of every category ni. Like O for opinion, S for size, A for age, okay? Okay, exercise 3 says, rewrite the sentences. Rewrite means tulis semula the sentences, okay? With the adjectives in the brackets, okay, in the correct places. Okay, so dia bagi you adjectives. See, white, big, ugly, modern, narrow, old. Okay, now you need to look at these adjectives and identify dia punya order, dia punya susunan. Okay, for example, white. White is the color. Okay, big is the size. Okay, so yang mana patut dulu? White big ke big white? Right? The size first, then only the color. So the correct answer is a big white. So you tulis balik. There is a cave that you can only reach by big white boat. Okay, so it should be here. There is a cave that you can only reach by big white boat. Okay, so the second one, sama juga, you look at the adjectives. Ugly and modern. Okay, so ugly tu apa? Which category does it fall into? Okay, so ugly is actually opinion, and then modern is actually the age. Okay, so ugly dulu ke modern dulu? Okay, you tell me. Okay, so try and do the rest until number 4. Okay, according to this arrangement, susunan ni. Alright, so that's all for today. We have read a text about my country, and then you need to finish exercise 1 where you match the subheadings. Okay, and exercise 2 where you find 4 adjectives in the text study, and then last one, exercise 3, you arrange the adjectives in the correct order. Okay, so if you have any question, you can ask me here or in our group. That's all. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.